It's Rhymeland!
Hi, welcome to the zoo, Ted. Welcome. Welcome, come with me. Animals waiting, let's go see. Meow! Lions roar so big and strong. Tiger walks with tail so long. Elephants swing their trunks so wide. Monkeys jump from side to side. Zebras run with stripes so neat. Penguins waddle on tiny feet. Birds are singing high in the sky. Giraffes eat leaves from branches high. Welcome, welcome fun. Zoo is joy for everyone.
And please like, share, and subscribe!